Bird and also 70 goose. Bird's friend Goose was visiting. Bird and Goose talked about Bird's thing. I love flying, said Bird. Honk, said Goose. We love flying, honk, honk. He was not a bird. He was a chipmunk. So he couldn't talk about Bird's thing. Bird and Goose talked and talked. Kip stood alone by the pond. He skipped stones on the water. But then Goose jumped into the water. She made a big splash. Honk, honk, she said. Pardon me, honk. People came over to the pond. They tossed pieces for bread to Goose. Honk, honk, said Goose. I don't like Goose, said Kip. She's too big and too loud. I think I'll go somewhere else. Kip wandered away somewhere else. Kip wandered away from the pond. Then he walked out of the park. Bird and Goose didn't even notice.